First step is roasting the chicken, making sure it's all charred, all the feathers have been burnt out. The end result, it would look something like this. In the next step, we will cut up the chicken. So I'll part it, I'll take the legs and the wings off. Yeah, you could just break the bone there and then cut it in between. It's very easy. There's a bone in here, you just cut in between the bone. It'll come out very easy. If I can get it. Then we'll cut down the middle and separate the two pieces. Now we'll cut them in small pieces. Okay, I just changed to a chopper. It's easier cut. This is the leg, cutting it up into small pieces. You can cut it up to whatever size is your preference. I don't know where cooking with Rhea is at the moment. That's why I'm taking this job. Leave that up. Breasts. Okay, this is the final piece. First we'll take out the butt, throw this away. If you want to eat it, that's up to you. Okay, and that's it. I'll repeat with a second chicken and then we'll cook. Wash the chicken with lemon. You wash the chicken with a whole lemon to remove any freshness. Whole lemon. You rub each piece individually.
Sorry my friends, I've been busy making fowl for the husband to take back to the city for the week.
So I printed out this recipe for the home fowl. So I'm going to follow this and see what happens. These are the ingredients that I saw in the recipe, so we're going to use this. It's salt, curry powder, green seasoning, thyme. We have coconut milk, we have garlic, black pepper, onions, oil, jeera masala, and amchar masala and jeera. First thing, we'll heat the oil, put on the stove to medium, Pour the oil in. So I'm gonna season the chicken now. I'm gonna use the green seasoning, which is this. I'm gonna pour it in. We're gonna use the black pepper. Pour it all in. Salt. And then we're gonna put in half of the onion. The thyme. And the garlic. Alright, so let's give it a stir with my hands. Oh, I know now she usually says, "Oh, this smells so good," so I will say the same thing. It smells so damn good. Okay, that looks good. I know she likes to marinate the meat usually a day or two before, but I have no time right now. We gotta cook this and we gotta eat it. Now that the oil is hot, we'll add the onion and some hot pepper. Just mix this up. Okay, while we're waiting for this to get golden brown, we'll mix the curry powder. So I have some water in this bowl. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of the green seasoning. Curry powder. It's around 6 tablespoons of curry powder. Now I'm going to pour in the jeera and the amchar masala. Jeera and amchar masala is optional. Okay, let's mix this up. Give it a stir. Turn it into a paste. Okay, the onions are brown, so we'll add the curry mixture in. Let it cook. Let's stir it in. I'm going to raise the heat to medium-high. So I put some water in the bowl just to get the remainder of the curry powder out and to add some water to the curry. Alright, we'll just stir it up in a few minutes. The recipe said let it cook for about 3 minutes before we throw in the chicken. So you want to make sure you don't burn the curry at the bottom or else the wife will yell at you. So the curry has separated from the oil. It's beginning to stick at the bottom and I'm out of patience, so I'm just going to throw in the chicken and see what happens. Here we go. This up, mix it in with the curry. I know she always tells me you have to bring the bottom to the top. Try to do that. Okay, now that it is nicely coated with the curry, we're going to let it sit uncovered for a few minutes. Then I'll cover it and let it cook in its own juices in about 5 minutes. Like, bring the boil over here. I'm adding some more thyme leaves to this because the wife loves thyme. Add the coconut milk also. with half can of this coconut milk, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let's mix this up. I only added half of the coconut milk because the recipe said it can overpower the taste of the fowl. Now we'll cover it and let it cook, and I'll check it back in about 10 minutes.
Folks, I have to step in here for a little while. I'm looking for the husband, and he is taking a stroll with the dog. I think the chicken has been cooking for more than 10 minutes, and he probably forgot he was cooking. So let's go check the stove. Luckily, it's not burning. It has released its juices. And I'm going to give it a stir. Reduce the heat to low and cook. Allow it to cook and hope that he comes back in soon. How many minutes you want me? 10, maybe. Hey baby. How's your walk?
Okay, let's check this chicken. That's a lot of water. Give it a stir. Let's try a little piece here and see how it tastes. Let's give it a little taste. Needs a little more salt. So we'll try the rest of this.
No, half of that.
So I'll throw half of this salt that was left over. Okay, we'll give it a stir. Cover it now for about 20 more minutes and see how much more of the water has evaporated. So it's been cooking for 40 minutes. We'll test the hardness of it and add appropriate water if necessary. The fowl in Trinidad is usually tougher and usually takes a longer time. Okay, let's give it a taste for salt and toughness. A little tough. Yeah, need to add some more water. Maybe a little salt. Rinse the bowl with the seasoning. I'll pour this in. Let's give it a stir before it starts sticking and the wife starts shouting. Gonna add a little salt. Stir it in. Raise the heat to medium high. Cover it and leave it for about 10 minutes. Okay, I decided to add the rest of the coconut milk. Because it's probably just gonna waste. We'll cover it, let it cook until it's tender and add more water if necessary. It's been cooking for more than 1 hour. The sauce is nice and thick. I did add like a half cup of water. I'm now gonna finish it up with some bandanya. I'll give it about another 5-10 minutes, let it thicken a little more, and then plate it and eat it. It's done. I'll turn off the stove. Have some white rice with a nice salad. Take this fowl, put it in the middle. Now this is delicious curry home fowl. Oh, looks great. And now I'm gonna eat.